Okay, I want to show you how to get into a house when the door opens out. Make a little tool out of a piece of wire, a coat hanger. That's what this is, a little piece of a coat hanger. Here we got the door. It opens out, but it's all locked. So take this little tool, put it in here. And open the door. Let me do that again. The door is open. There you go. Just put it in there. The door is open. Here's what we're doing. We're going here. We're putting this right by this, and then just pushing that in. Now, if the deadbolt's working, pushed halfway in, it'll lock deadbolt. So all you do is put your shoulder against the door, push it in to disengage the deadbolt, then the latch works. The latch is free once the deadbolt is disengaged. So you have right here, the deadbolt, it won't work. So you push on it a little bit, push it in, you hear a click, open it up.